If feedback isn't objective, people stop trusting it. I'm Phil and I share short leadership ideas to build psychological safety in teams. Following on from Boost, there's another simple way to keep feedback objective and meaningful. And this is using situation, behaviour and impact, which is where you start with the context you observed the person in, you describe what you heard and what you saw, and then you explain the impact it had. It keeps the feedback focused and removes subjectivity. It also makes it easier for the other person to hear what's being said without feeling judged. When you use specific examples that you saw and heard, the conversation becomes more useful. And this is where psychological safety starts to build, because the intent is positive and the language is objective, clear and factual. So people know where they stand and what they need to do differently. Click on the link below to download a simple SBI guide and ensure your feedback conversations are something that people can act on.